Hey everybody, Tom Sparks with Sparks Media Group. In this video, we're going to unbox the Insta360 Flow 2 Pro that Insta360 has sent us. It says your AI Pocket Filmmaker in stone gray. We're going to open up the packaging and read a little more about it. Just going to try to do this one gracefully, but I'll just slice it right there. Now this says it's AI-powered Deep Track 4.0 person re-identification, animal tracking, track with phone camera app and FaceTime, tracking 200 plus iOS apps, 360 infinite pan tracking, AI mobile editing suite, one-step rapid deploy, foldable and portable, 3-axis stabilization, 10-hour battery life, plus emergency power bank, so you can charge your phones with it if you need to, and magnetic phone clamp. Inside we have the Insta360 Flow 2 Pro, the magnetic phone clamp, a warranty card, quick start guide, USB-C to USB-A charge cable, and a protective pouch. So let's open it. Now Insta360 sent me this free of charge to make a review video on. They're not paying me, but they did send it to me. All-in-one service. Scan the QR code to access the app, tutorials, and manuals in the Insta360's all-in-one service. Assemble, unfold, and fold up. So it talks about the different shooting positions. We have our USB-C to USB-A cable. It's pretty cool and long, and you guys can pause it if you need to, but it camera tracking with 200 plus compatible apps to start or stop tracking, and that's for iOS, and then Android one tap shooting with the Insta360 app, free tilt mode, here's our quick start guide, our stickers that we love, safety guidelines, warranty card, our protective pouch, here's our magnetic mount. It says place phone facing up. And then here's the gimbal. My first inclination was to start moving everything around. I don't know how to undo it. Oh, so we're gonna unfold it like this. And when you unfold it, it turns on. Got a wheel here. Take the covering off. So this was just meant to be an unboxing video. Oh look, there's some little legs under here. We'll do a kind of a review of it later. There's some legs that come out, so you can put it down. That's pretty cool. I like the size of it. It snapped into place not so gracefully. Okay, so we'll make another video on this. This was just the unboxing video. How do we turn it off? Hold it down. Yep, so we hold down the M button and that turns it off. And then we can fold it back. There we have it. It's nice and compact. Thanks for watching, guys.